You are watching Down Performance Engineering YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about how to change the front brake oil on Yamaha R15 version 2 and replacing this corrosion screw on this master. Actually, this Yamaha R15 version 2 run ODO of 27,000 kilometers. Okay. Actually, this bike run this kilometer even though these don't have braking efficiency less. If braking efficiency less due to several reasons, maybe the hose channel may be leaks. You need to check this before changing brake oil, whether the pad is has out of life or the disc plate is out of life. But this bike have good pad and disc plate also, but still you will have see the braking efficiency is less. So uncomfortable to ride your dream bikes? No worry. Down Performance Engineering helps you. The lowering kit. It will reduce the bike height to 10 mm 20 mm. It's a custom made lowering kit available in 304 stainless steel and 316 stainless steel. 10 mm to 40 mm available. You need to change the front brake oil. Actually, this master is outside of the in atmosphere, so too much of rainwater and the sunlight make soon it will corrode that screw. So you need to change the screw. If it is rusted and too much of damaged, you need to careful on this removing the screw. First you need to make a impression on that screw on this head surface. You took make an like any impression that will give a grip of the. Now you use WD-14 to make an rust removal of this screw, so you can easily remove it. Once the impression made by the impact of the hammering and that, then impression is very important. So you will make a grip of the screw and then screwdriver, so you can easily remove it. You need to careful on this too much of corroded screw when removing. You need to apply pressure on that screw head when you make an impression on that hammering. This will help you to remove the corrosion bolt or screw from this master. Actually, what this may happen means it's very important to remove careful this kind of screw or bolt. When what happen, it will break means when that head will break means it will definitely not come outside of the master, so it will very difficult. Once you unscrew from that master, you need to careful it. See how much of rusted this screw. This will very definitely damage to you. You need to replacing by using stainless steel screw or GI screw. That will give long life to you. You need to replacing by quality material. Actually, this is a stainless steel screw that will give better life, because this master is outside of the atmosphere, so too much of exposing of sunlight and rain, so it will be corroded soon. Okay, now remove the master cover and remove the oil seal also. Now you see this oil, this is brake fluid. Okay. Now I used Yamaha lube, Yamaha brake fluid, standard Yamaha fluid also. This comes with 100 ml. And it cost is 120 rupees. Before top up the oil, you need to release the bleed screw. Actually, this bleed screw is very important. When you lose the bleed screw and press the brake lever, what this happens means, once when oil pump out from the bleed screw, this will indicate that there is no vacuum or air in this brake caliper or in this hose. This will bleed screw will identify using air or vacuum inside of the caliper or the hose. So you need to retight the bleed screw before top up. Okay. Now you need to pump the brake fluid into the caliper and then master cylinder hose. So you need to press. When I press, you see the brake fluid will be reducing the capacity. Once you feel very tight when grip of the brake lever, this will mean the brake fluid will be fully occupied on master cylinder and brake hose and the caliper. Okay. You need to pump this brake oil into this. When you feel very tight grip of the, you need to always careful on this brake. Actually, braking is very important to this bike or automobile, anything, because if you have any problem on engine won't start, so no problem. Accident or any kind of human loss, life loss no happens. But when braking efficiency or braking failure may leads to several damage to bike and to human life also. You need to careful on this kind of brake. You need to, before taking your bike on road, you need to check this twice, once braking is good or not, and the tire pressure and the handling, because it is very important to this bike. You need to retight this screw. I used stainless steel for a long life and corrosion resistance. Okay. Once you retighted, you check this brake. Once brake is tightened, you can check it once again, and before leaving you remove this old oil by cleaning it. Thank you friends. If you have any doubts about this video, just text on WhatsApp and Facebook. You can comment it on YouTube section. You can scan this QR code to directly chat on WhatsApp. Thank you.